Hello traders, Ivan speaking. Today we are again with the new and the best one strategy ever. Super accurate, super safe and not repainted strategy for Forex especially, and you can use it for binary too, but it is firstly it was coded for programmed for Forex traders, and as you can see here, it is 4-hour time frame, and I will quickly explain the rules because I explained it in last 3 videos very clearly and with all details. So let's see the last signal. Here, this is the yellow arrow, which is repainted as I explained. You do not trade yellow arrows, you trade only green arrows. The system works like this. When you get yellow arrow, you will get alert that a possible change of direction is possible. So you will then be watching this chart and waiting for the green arrow. When you get the green arrow here, you must have 2 confirmations. First one, that this green line must be red and going down, yes it is. And then this TDI indicator must also confirm your trade. How? The most important is that the green arrow is under the red and under the yellow. And in that moment you can take trade. If you have additionally that the red arrow goes through yellow down, and it's more better, even better. So here you could take a trade and you can keep it until the green line appears here, or 2 in a row white candles. Or you wait, if you are advanced trader, you wait another yellow, which will give you alert that possible change of trend is possible. So this is how to use it. This is for sell, and let's explain one more for buy. You see this yellow arrow, but you will not trade yellow arrow. You are waiting then for a green, and look here, this become green, and this, and green and red arrow, green and red line are over the yellow. And this is fantastic setup, and you can take a trade here until here, minimum 2 red in a row, or until it touch the yellow channel line. And of course I forgot in the beginning to say that only the valid trades are when the yellow arrows are appearing, and price of course outside of this channel. So outside of this channel. So guys, this is it. Very simple, and what is more important, very, very accurate. So this is 4-hour time frame, which I recommend and with which I make the best results. Also, and higher time frames like daily is also fantastic, but maybe it's too long to wait. 4 hours you will get signals more often. And what is important, you do not have to watch your charts non-stop. You can check it every 4 hours, and if you see a setup, as I said, you will take trade. And with these setups like this, you will have minimum 80%, up to 90% chances to win each trade. Higher time frames are better. They do not have many quick changes as M1, M5 or M15 even. For me, advice is for you, I mean, minimum use 1-hour time frame, minimum, if you want best results. And what is more important here, recently I read one article from one big trader, experienced trader, what he said, that the trading strategy, what you have here, this is xTURBO, I forgot to say, this is xTURBO. The 30% of the success is good strategy, like we have here. And you will not believe, 70% of the success is your mind, your brain. That means that you must be patient. Patience is a gold. If you are not patient, you will not make any money. So do not rush in any trade just to take it and just not to miss some suspicious setup. No, you must wait for this, as I said here. You see, I also put M15 time frame. I do not like it, but I want to show you also that you can make scalping also with a lower time frame. You see, possible change in direction. You see, we get this, and this is sign that the possible change in direction is here. But we do not trade this. We wait for a green arrow and the setup I explained. In meantime, few hours ago, I took one trade here. This is 1 hour, daily time frame, USD Swiss franc, and as you can see, it is a value trade. Why? We had a yellow arrow, but we are waiting for the green. It's here, and with green arrow we see, yes, we have this green from red going up, and what we have here, green arrow and the red arrow are going up. So this is a fantastic setup. It's daily chart, so we have to wait for days. But you see, after a few hours, we already have $30 in the money with only 0.10, lot size. If you have one lot here, of course, you will make now $300 at that moment. So this is the advantage of higher time frames. With small moves here, you can make a lot. Imagine if it goes up to here or higher. So guys, as I explained, patience and your mind is the rule. It means 70% of success. You can have, I don't know, any strategy, but if you are not following strictly the rules, and if you are not patient, you will not make money. So if you buy my strategy, it will give you big chances to win, but only if you follow strictly the rules, only if you are very patient, only if you wait for setup, as I explained. You see this one. We get yellow arrow, but we will not take it. And then we wait for a green arrow, and still here it is not confirmed, but we wait this green line to show, and here we can take trade. Here we have confirmation here, also with TDI. Green is over the yellow, and even this is going up. Let's see this one. Yellow arrow, then red. I will increase the size. You see, it is a valid trade. Why? Because this one appears when the price was outside of channel. So then we get this. In this moment, I'm not sure if you have red here, but on the second candle we get it. So here, you see, we have all confirmed. Why? Because this is red, and you see down here, red and green are under the yellow, so this is downtrend. So from here, you could take trade and make 75 pips. Sorry guys. This is also some daily charts, 4-hour chart. And what I wanted to say more, that this strategy is giving you two ways of trading. The first way I have explained, and we can show it again. You are waiting for yellow arrow, then green. You see here it's all confirmed, and you take a trade. But the second, if you want to have more trades per day, you can use green arrows only. But the green arrow then must be, and the price must be outside also of this channel. Yes, this is, so here we get arrow. This line is red, and this green arrow is under the yellow, and this is a confirmed trade. We can take it here at the open of the next candle, and you see if you are taking until here 97 pips, or until the next one 175 pips. But you must be patient to get it. This is 1 hour time frame. I said, in my opinion and my advice is to trade minimum with 1 hour time frame. So you will check your charts every 1 hour, and you will have more trades, of course, than with 4 hour. And we have here a latest 2 trades. Let's check it. We had yellow arrow and green. You see all confirmed, and you can take trade until here, until this green line is changing, or until the next yellow. Then we get another yellow, and here you see, and here you will take a trade, and still it is running, and still it is in the money. This is another one. We have yellow arrow, but we do not have green, and we will not take it. But here, very good confirmed trade. Here, all confirmed. You see, even red and green are under the yellow, and you will take a trade. You can keep it until here or until here if you want to exit quickly and make, let's say, 20-50 pips. No, it's 1 hour time frame, so until here 50 pips, it's very good. This, what are you looking, you see here, I am just testing some other indicator which will give you more safety, more confirmation if needed. So you see it's confirmed because it should be red going down. You see here we have yellow arrow, but you see this is red, and all lines green and red are under the yellow, so it is not confirmed trade if you think to take it with yellow. Yellow arrows are not trade arrows. Remember, only the green one after the yellow, or you can use only, as we said, sometimes if you want, you can use only green, but also it should be over this channel, and all other rows are the same. So you have 2 possibilities. Guys, what to say? We have 1 trade running, and you will not have dozens of trades, of course. You will have maybe a few trades per week with 4 hours. But with each trade you will make a lot of pips. And depending how much is your lot size, depends how much you will earn. So guys, if you need any additional information or want to buy this fantastic not repainted strategy, my mail is below, and only on this email I will reply. binarytools777@gmail.com. And still, next 2 days we have a promotion. Introduction price, special price, which is 40% off than a regular price, which will start from Saturday. So if you want to use this opportunity to have this awesome strategy for less price, please contact me below. Guys, I hope you are satisfied with this video, and see you next time. Bye bye.